In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open ChatGPT in your browser and make the most of its features. Whether you're seeking inspiration for a healthy breakfast or organizing data in table form, ChatGPT can be an incredibly helpful tool to enhance productivity and creativity. Let's begin by heading over to your web browser and typing in the URL https://chat.openai.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, simply follow the sign-up instructions provided on the page to create one. It's a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes, and once you've logged in, you're ready to start exploring. Now that you're logged in, it's time to initiate a new conversation with ChatGPT. On the left-hand side of the interface, you'll notice a few different options. Click on New Chat to start a fresh session. This will clear any previous conversations you may have had and give you a blank slate to work with. If you're looking to generate some ideas, for instance, let's start by asking ChatGPT for a list. You might type in something like, "Can you create a bullet list of 10 healthy breakfast ideas?" Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will swiftly respond with a neatly formatted list of options, sparking some delicious inspiration for your next meal. Now, maybe you're interested in more structured data and want to see that information in a table. In that case, you could type a query such as, "Can you make a 3-column table showing fruit names, their calories per 100 Gs, and vitamin C content?" Once you press enter, ChatGPT gets to work, providing you with a tidy table that presents your requested data clearly and concisely. One of the fantastic features about ChatGPT is the ability to customize your tables or lists further to suit your specific needs. For instance, if you'd like to sort your table by a particular column, such as calories, you can simply make that request. You can also add or remove items, or adjust the style to make it just right. Once you're happy with the table or list, you can easily transfer it to another program. All you need to do is to highlight the text you wish to copy. Right-click your highlighted selection and choose the copy option from the menu. Now, move over to your favorite editor, such as Word, Excel, or Google Docs, and paste it where you need it. And there you have it. We've covered how to get started with ChatGPT, initiate a session, request lists and tables, customize them, and finally move your data into other applications. With these skills, you're now set to make full use of ChatGPT in your daily tasks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide